You'll know when ransomware hits. The problem is, by then, it's usually too late. You think you'll know when you've been hit by ransomware, and in one sense, you're right. Hackers always announce themselves, otherwise they don't get paid. But here's the problem. By the time that ransom note appears on your screen, you've already been compromised. Maybe days ago, maybe weeks ago. A phishing email, a stolen password, an exposed server nobody noticed. Today, we're breaking down the before and after. This isn't just a problem for large enterprises. Small and mid-sized businesses are targeted every day. And ransomware groups know something important. Most businesses can't afford downtime. The longer systems stay offline, the more pressure there is to pay. Here's what most businesses don't realize. Ransomware can often be detected before the ransom demand appears. The warning signs are usually there. Large amounts of data moving unexpectedly, suspicious logins from unfamiliar locations, files changing without explanation. These aren't random technical issues. They're signs that an attack may already be underway. The attacker is quietly gaining access and escalating privileges. Now imagine the ransomware has already been deployed. Your files are locked, operations have stopped, and a ransom demand appears. At that point, the decision becomes difficult. Some pay because they lack backups. Others refuse because they have recovery options. But even if you pay, there's no guarantee your data hasn't already been stolen. Consult professionals before making any decision. Ransomware doesn't begin with a note. It begins with a stolen password or an ignored alert. The businesses that recover fastest are the ones that prepared. Uprite helps businesses stay protected with proactive cybersecurity and 24/7 monitoring. The goal is stopping ransomware before it disrupts you. Don't wait until a ransom note appears. Get a clear picture of your risks today. Click the link below to speak with an IT expert.